Welcome back everybody to the Old Dirty Brownies channel, and today we're doing a music video reaction, a little bit different, but we're doing this one for Lupita. She actually recommended this video on our last video, so shout out to you. And if you guys want us to react to anything, make sure you guys drop it in the comment section below. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload these banger videos, you know what I'm saying?
Hey! Chill, bro.
Whoa.
Wait, bro. We didn't even get to that part yet, bro.
We got...
Put your hey! Lupita, we're sorry.
Alright, anyways, back to this. So, if you haven't watched our previous video, I'm gonna link it up here or up here. Make sure you guys go watch that. We actually did a little cooking tutorial on how we made these stuffed bell peppers, which I don't know how they taste like, but I think these two know already.
I didn't even taste it.
I don't know, man.
Well, I made them before.
Eating. So,
it's always good.
Yeah, right now we're actually gonna be doing the taste test reaction to the bell peppers while watching the reaction to Brendon Urie's best live vocals.
And
it's like a mukbang.
It's something, but it's like a mukbang. And you already know who it is. It's your boy TEJ. We got H-Mo. We got Papi, Sherbie, and Ammi. Yo, let's jump right into it. So, actually, should we go first bite first?
Yeah, we'll do first bite.
Okay. Nobody make no sound effects. Let me take my bite.
I need a fork.
Well, that's
you guys all got forks?
That's no problem.
I had to come through with the yellow bell pepper, you know what I'm saying?
I couldn't even cut it right.
That sounds like a... Oh, wow.
I'll tell you what.
Boy, this is good, man.
We made this.
This is fire.
He made this.
This is really good.
This is
wow.
So
really
while
good.
we eat our stuffed bell peppers, let's watch some vocals, you know what I'm saying?
Get it going. Crack them back.
It's so hard to eat with a spoon.
What's his
name? Brendon Urie? He looks like he's from American Idol.
But this guy got the pipes.
Yeah, I really like this, how it tastes. It's like not too bland, not too... I got a habanero.
I hope you suffer.
Woo! I like this part. I don't like it from this part. I like this one.
Do I sound like that? Girl!
Yeah. Hold on, let me try. Girls are, boys are cool. No?
Nah.
Girls are boys. What?
Word.
Those are boys.
Never did I think that I would be caught in the way you got me.
You know what it reminds me of? Hey, like when he sings like that, it reminds me of like Green Day and like those old school songs that we used to hear in American Pie. They were like, what? Who listens to that stuff, you know?
Are you dissing Lupita?
Yeah.
For some reason, it reminds me of the guy off of Clock Stop.
I don't think Lupita would appreciate that
was really
comment.
mean.
We're just
Lupita,
gonna like...
I'm sorry for his
Hey, you got some white
terrible
stuff
comments.
He's
sorry.
from Stuffing Men, right?
He's sorry. Say sorry to Lupita.
I'm sorry.
What was her name?
Lupita.
Here's the reason why.
Oh!
Oh, he went shirtless.
Oh!
I want to be at one of these concerts with a lighter and just...
My bell pepper.
Oh, wow.
Bullet!
That's not a guitar?
This is the same guy that was in the Taylor Swift video?
Yeah.
And he won American Idol or something?
I don't know about that.
I think you're just making that up. He could be.
No, he just like singing like
No,
that.
he's on American Idol stage.
Earlier, yeah, maybe, I don't know.
Okay.
And I never said I'd leave this town. I've only got we want, it's alright. When everybody gets there, everybody gets there.
Oh.
Everybody gets there.
Where they at?
Where they at though? Where
They get down.
Yeah.
Man, I got pipe. What?
Man got pipes. Why am I translating for both these songs? Who's on top of the piano?
We're all the woman on the stage. Are this American Idol girl? I mean, beauty pageant contestants for Miss Universe?
Probably. This is like the best entertainment I could ask for.
You look good. I like stage performers. You know, this is real talent. Anyone could get behind a mic, auto-tune their voice.
Why do you look like?
Why are you talking about yourself though?
No, he looked at you though.
No, I didn't look at nobody.
You looked at Sherbie.
And edit and do a lot of things and make a beautiful song and beautiful music. But
Are you like, are you no, are you trying to throw shade, bro? Because if you want, I can give you 4,000 reasons on Spotify why my
he
music
could give
works.
you, you could have it all.
Louis Gucci Fendi Dior, I could give it you all.
All our viewers.
I messed up my own lyrics.
Hey, all our viewers are organic, of course.
Why are you taking my lines? First you diss on me.
I didn't diss nobody.
You take my lines.
I was just talking about how stage performances make a person a talented individual.
Yeah.
Maybe one day we will have amazing stage performances. Follow us on Spotify. Or
Us?
I have.
No, I'm just playing.
I started my own Spotify. I didn't tell you.
Oh, wow.
He sounds like a guitar.
You sound like a chipmunk.
Alvin and the Chipmunks? They don't sound like that. I had a phase in high school when I was wearing vests. Because, oh, that didn't work out like I planned.
Continue.
And I used to wear vests because it was cool. A bunch of people gave me vests for this thing I did. Good times. Thank you, y'all.
Yo, I love how he's like hella passionate, bro. Like, he makes the faces for every song, every hook.
I like him. I like him a lot.
Man, this guy is amazing.
I feel like Taylor Swift didn't give him justice in her last
Right.
song.
She didn't deserve him. She didn't use him
like
good
She didn't
enough.
utilize
Like yeah, he was singing and stuff, but
Hey,
not hit all of his sounds.
Yeah.
I mean, this is his old stuff. Maybe he's different. New,
probably.
You know what I'm saying?
But I feel like he could have showcased a lot more.
Yeah, he would definitely do another song.
Hey, I only eat pineapples because pineapples are from Hawaii.
How do you say Hawaii?
Who would you guys like to see this guy?
Why are you saying the
Who would you guys like to see this guy collab with? Kendrick.
What'd you say?
Him and Kendrick.
Well, yeah, but that's kind of like that's already.
It's
It's already been done because he collabed with Taylor Swift.
But Taylor,
Kendrick
But they-
Lamar,
But
Taylor Swift.
no, because it's already like that pop and hip hop kind of thing. Like,
No.
that's not. Well, it's not rap.
Pop and hip hop type of thing is Taylor Swift and Kendrick on Bad Blood.
Yeah.
You're going back.
Who's hip hop in that Taylor Swift song? Nobody.
That's just poppity pop, man. That's your pop, pop, pop. Skip, peep, pop, pop.
Yeah, it's double pop pop.
well, I guess I haven't really.
How about you guys tell us in the comment who you guys would like to see this guy collab with? Yeah, because we don't.
We got.
I feel like he could do really good on like an Eminem song. He's talking about like sleeping in a closet and like driving a car in Detroit or something.
Even like Post Malone or some shit, something like that. That could work.
Hey,
yeah.
Hey, what about Kid Cudi? You know how his music's different?
Yeah.
Something like this. He's really good. You know, I'm happy we discovered him.
Yeah. Shout out to Lupita.
I see the shadows on my face.
Oh my God.
People
Turn this up.
It's almost like a male Adele.
I don't look the same.
This is fire.
Maybe
How come we didn't know about this guy?
wait, or I'm playing hooky.
Is this a classical song or is it his?
I think he's doing covers on other songs.
Or like the.
I need this song.
Ooh. Is that the piano? How are these people so talented? Is the left side of the brain?
No, they just practice. Left side of the brain.
It's 2000.
19.
You okay?
What?
It's 2019. It's been 9 years and 10 years, and we don't know about this guy. What have we been doing with our lives? It happens,
You don't
man.
gotta be so sad.
No, I missed on his beautiful voice all these years.
Hey,
Hey, man,
people are missing
hey,
out on our beautiful
hey,
voice.
yeah.
If you're watching this in 2025 because you saw the old video of Old Dirty Brownies, shout out. What's good?
Going anywhere.
Just sitting
Boop,
by.
boop, boop, boop.
There is a South Detroit.
Detroit.
Took the midnight train going anywhere. Strangers.
Oh, yeah.
It makes it work.
People ever heard of? It's better to face these
Oh, damn, he's sweating, man. Look at his passion.
We're probably gonna hop on.
Yeah. This is that song with that waiting shit and the dudes all gothic and shit. I know this. I know this. Heard of. Whoa! Oh my God!
That boy.
I got one word to rate this,
Take it driven off.
but I gotta say, whoa! I'll give that a 10. 0.10 times 10.
What you giving this, Happy?
I give it a solid 9.
Well,
Really good.
like, I don't know if we're reacting to the video of his voice. Cause
Yeah.
I guess
Okay, yeah.
we're reacting to what we feel. Okay.
We're reacting to like the whole
I feel
vocal.
like I've heard a lot of people sing live in front of me, and I was high school and they all kind of sucked. But this dude right here,
Wow.
this dude right here, eh plus, number one.
All I gotta say is like, I was kind of speechless for the whole video because like it just blew my mind. Like the way this boy hit vocals and high notes, A1.
Hey, you know what? I feel like we heard great people singing, a great guy singing, okay, and we had great food. And I'm kind of trying to like talk like Donald Trump, but I don't know how. But this was great. This is a great environment. This is great food, great music, perfect.
I really think that the food and the vibes and everything just made the whole experience to Brendon Urie a whole lot better.
Yeah, because
Don't go in the government, Brandon Urie.
Alright, so that's gonna wrap up this reaction to Brendon Urie's best live
Shout out
vocals.
again, Lupita.
Shout out, hey, chill with that, man.
Thank you for
Shout out to
producing this.
Lupita for recommending this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. Turn that notification bell on. Leave a comment.
Yeah.
And yeah, from the Old Dirty Brownies.
And if y'all like it, if you guys like the cooking episode, and
if you haven't watched it, go watch it.
If you guys like when we eat and react to the food that we cook,
make sure to let us know if you want more cooking shit videos or some mukbangs. You know what I'm saying?
How about dad staring at us? It's weird.